Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria Jose and this is Diyosa Life TV. And today we are unboxing something new from REALME again. And I'm trying something new. Nag-iwan tayo ng space dito for the second camera thing. I hope that it will work out. I'm currently using, for the second camera, the REALME 9 Pro Plus. I hope that you will be able to appreciate the quality of the video. So this is what we're going to be unboxing today. My name is over there. If you want to see what's inside this package, keep on watching. So now we are going to unbox. Let's go. It's going to be very quick, because I just want to share with you guys what this package is all about and the specs of this gadget. I'm very excited because for the first time, the product arrived before the launch date. As you know, I'm based in Davao, so usually medyo nade-delay yung mga shipping or yung sending of products to us, which is usually not a problem. I don't care actually, but it's very exciting because for the first time, we are able to unbox the item before the launch date. Let's proceed. So ito siya. I already took it out of the packaging and ganito na siya. I can already see it. Like most of the unboxing videos that I do, I'm just going to show you the product really quickly and talk about some of the specs that we will experience with the product. Ayan! It's the REALME 9. Tada! It's the REALME 9. It's finally here. As you can see, it has almost the same packaging as the 9 Pro Plus. The specs are at the back. There are 4 features of this phone that are remarkable and I would like to share with you guys. First, it has a 108 MP AI triple camera. So that's not that different from the 9 Pro Plus. Second, it has a Snapdragon 680 processor. And it has a 90Hz Super AMOLED display. And finally, it has a 5000 mAh massive battery. It has an 8GB RAM and a 128GB ROM. If you're looking for a dependable smartphone that you can use daily, this might be it for you. Let's see what's inside the box. The color is Stargaze White. That's one of the things that's different from the current unit that I use, which is the 9 Pro Plus. So this one is white. Oh, I haven't had a white REALME phone, I think. So that's exciting. That's different. One of the first things that you see is the "Hey, welcome to the REALME family" greeting, which I always appreciate, and I think that a lot of people who have their first REALME smartphone also appreciate. So let's see what's inside this box over here. Ta-da! Oh, one of my favorite things about REALME is they always have a jelly case with a unit. Yan, jelly case. And of course, you have the information guide. And another quick guide. Plus, of course, it's a must-have for all smartphones. The SIM tray ejector pin. Now, let's go to the smartphone itself, the REALME 9. I'm nervous. Before we take a closer look at the phone itself, ooh, it's so pretty. The white is so gorgeous. Before we do that, let's go to the other contents of the box. Inside the box, of course, we have the charging cable. This is USB-C. Unlike the other REALME charging cables that I have, it usually has like a yellow accent. So this one is just all white. And of course, we have the charging head. It doesn't have a yellow accent. Usually this part is yellow, so it's just white. And let's take a look at the smartphone itself. Let's open it. I'm so excited. It's white. It's Stargaze White, but it's also available in 2 other colors. Yeah, this one is so pretty. Wait. Oh my God! Ay, masyado ako na-excite. Look at that. So that's it, guys, for the very quick unboxing of the Realme 9 4G. Again, if you're interested, the 4 very important features and specs that I already shared with you guys. It has a 108 MP AI triple camera. It has a Snapdragon 680 processor. It has a 90 Hz Super AMOLED display. And finally, it has a 5000 mAh battery. That's the gorgeous Realme 9 4G. If you want to know more about this gadget, please stay tuned because it will be officially launched on June 14th on the Realme PH Facebook page. The link to the Facebook page and the event for that launch will be down below. If you want to know the price, when it will be available, where it will be available, and other such details, all those details will be available again on June 14. That's a week from now, guys. Kaya nyong mag-antay. Let's all wait together and let's all watch the launch together. If you want to see some of the sample shots and other stuff that I already know and I can already share with you guys about this unit, please visit my blog, Technomaria.com. And I will also try to post some sample shots on my social media account. Those will be posted on Instagram, Ria Jose Davao, Twitter, Ria Jose, TikTok, Ria Jose Davao, and on my Facebook pages, Ria Jose Davao and Diyosa Life. So make sure to like and follow me on those social media platforms. Again, marami pong salamat. Thank you guys for watching. And again, don't forget to stay tuned because the official launch of the Realme 9 will be on June 14. That's on the Facebook page of Realme PH. And I will be sharing more about this on June 14 as well. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to join me during the launch on June 14. Maraming pong salamat. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Paalam, bye.